What's happening, everybody? This is Ben Mollin from the Ben Mollin Project. I'm here today in Linwood, Washington at the Cosmoprof Workshop, and I would like to go ahead and share with you some pretty solid advice that can possibly change the way that you appear to be happier in front of other people while you are dictating information. So the way that we're going to do that today is we are going to talk about hand position, where to put your hands when you talk. So advice number one is I'm going to tell you what not to do. If you are nervous, the last thing that you want to do when you're speaking to people is take your hands, put them in front of your groin, and sit there and kind of make donuts. So the last thing that you want to do is put all that attention, all that nervous attention, to the private parts. Step one. So what to do with your hands? Well, I believe that you should just kind of take your feet, shoulder width apart, hands nice and relaxed, almost like you've just kind of shaken somebody's hand and just dropped it back, right? So at the beginning of a sentence, living in the medium range is pretty much where you want to go. So what's medium? Well, medium is going to be from the hips to the chest, otherwise known as where hairdressers spend the majority of their time. So this is actually our comfort zone. However, in order to get to medium, we have to start with small. Check it out. Hey everybody, my name is Ben Mollin, and today I'd like to go ahead and talk about how to appear to be awesome in front of others, right? So it's almost like you bring it up and then you go ahead and bring it back down, right? Now there's a couple other places that we can go with our hands, and one place is actually large. So say for example, I want to go ahead and make like an exclamation point. So I go ahead and start off, my hands down, and go, "That's a really big fish." Hands go back down. So it's almost like an explanation point. Again, if I don't start small, I can't end up tall. And then there's extra large, which you're never gonna do unless you're trying to land a plane or you see like a pet cemetery situation where a pet comes back up from the dead and starts attacking you. There's really no reason to go ahead and go this high. Awesome. So again, always remember to keep composure, keep nice and solid. Now let's pretend that we have a board that's right in the center of us that we're never gonna go ahead and cross. So what happens is, yeah, some people actually go right in there and start time to make the donuts. Also, a lot of times what people will do when they start to talk is they start to go ahead and cross over. The first thing that you want people to see from stage is your heart. Because once you go ahead and open up your heart, then other people are then gonna go ahead and feel that energy back. If I close that heart off, basically what this means to me is help me, I am scared and I want to die. Relax, hands go back down. Hey everybody, this is what we do. This is why we do it, because it makes us approachable. It makes us very easy to understand, and it makes us more comfortable when we are in front of others. If you'd like to hear more, check me out at the Ben Mollin Project on Instagram. Peace.